Welcome to Vacuum Wars, and to our best spot cleaner video for 2023. We bought 15 of the most popular carpet spot cleaning machines and put them through all kinds of tests over the past few weeks, and in this video we'll compare all the results, as well as their specs and features, and announce our picks for the top 3. Also this year, I've learned a lot more about the best way to use these spot cleaners, and after extensive testing and some advice from a professional carpet cleaner, I think I've finally found the best pre-treatment spray to use for organic stains like pet urine. Links in the description to everything I'll mention, and let's get started. First, the basics. All of these spot cleaners operate in the same basic way, which is that you fill up their clean water tanks with warm water and the included solution, you use a trigger on the handle to spray the spot with the water solution mix, and then scrub the stain with the brush, which also sucks up the dirty water into the dirty water tank. This year I gave them scores based on 15 different categories, and as I go through this, I'll show the top 5 from each category on the screen. First, we tested their suction power, both at the hose and at the base, and combined those numbers for a suction score, where the standouts were the Rug Doctor, the Kenmore, and the Bissell Little Green Pro. I also did a real-world suction test between one with a lot of suction, like the Kenmore, against the one with the least amount of suction, the SpotBot. And as I suspected, it really did seem to make a difference, which is logical because the more water you can remove, the more of the stain you can remove, and the faster it dries. All that to say, suction really is important, but it's not the only thing. We also score things like their hose length, hose quality, which is a bit more subjective, but I base this on if they have a kink-proof hose or not. I also give them extra points if their handle swivels, which is an often overlooked feature which really gives you more mobility when scrubbing stains. We measure their cord length, where the average is 16 foot but 20 foot is the highest, tank capacity, which we measure ourselves based on the clean water tank capacity, noise level, overall weight, and the number of attachments that they come with. We give them extra points if they have additional features. For example, this year was the first time we saw a spot cleaner that uses steam with the new Bissell Hydro Steam, which, as a side note, I did not find to be all that much different than its main competitors in extensive testing. I gave them a few extra points if they had internal water heating ability, though this feature doesn't actually make cold water hot. It's supposed to just keep already warm water warm, so it's of limited value in my opinion. I also took into account their list prices and, to a limited extent, their online reviews, knocking off some points if there seemed to be a lot of negative reviews or consistent quality control issues. Feel free to skip ahead to the section where I announce the winners if you're not interested in this next part, but I want to spend a few minutes talking about what I've learned this year about cleaning stains, especially urine stains, with these machines. The first thing I learned is that pre-treating urine stains is very important, probably more important than which machine you buy. I've done videos in the past where I tried to find the best carpet sprays for pet urine, and have found that most of them just don't work at all. And the ones that do typically have one ingredient in common: hydrogen peroxide. When doing tests for this video, I started to get frustrated because when using some of the most popular pre-treatment sprays on the market, I was finding that they were not removing urine stains. I was using coyote urine for these tests, by the way, but no matter how many times I repeated the pre-treatment or how hard I scrubbed, I was not removing the stains completely. In my frustration, I reached out to this guy, Carpet Muscle TV, a professional carpet cleaner here on YouTube, who uses hydrogen peroxide for urine stains in his business. And he graciously answered some of my questions about this. And after taking his advice in subsequent tests, I was really impressed with the results. Now, the kind of hydrogen peroxide you can buy at the store is typically 3%, but you can buy 6% or even 12% hydrogen peroxide on Amazon. Carpet Muscle TV says that he treats urine spots with pure 12% hydrogen peroxide sprayed liberally on the stain. Then he gently agitates it in a circular motion with a brush and lets it sit for about 15 minutes before cleaning it up with a machine. He mentioned that some people are concerned that hydrogen peroxide can bleach your carpets, but he told me that he's only had it bleach a carpet one time where there was a hole in the bottle he was using and he let it sit on a carpet for days. Nevertheless, it's better to err on the side of caution here. You should test a small part of your carpet first to make sure it's not especially sensitive, but you can also buy 6% hydrogen peroxide if you're concerned about this, which is stronger than the store-bought 3% but less strong than the 12%. I tested this method with various strengths of hydrogen peroxide against the popular pre-treatment sprays on urine stains and discovered the following things. Number 1, if you use just a spot cleaner by itself with no pre-treatment, it may look good on the top, but because it's not actually oxidizing the stain, it's not really sucking up the stain. It's more or less pushing it down into the carpet fibers, as you can see here. You can see how much better the stains look from underneath that used hydrogen peroxide. I also learned that using hydrogen peroxide, whether 3, 6, or 12%, did way better than the best-selling pre-treatment currently on the market, as you can see with these results. I also learned that as good as hydrogen peroxide is, you really need to do this entire process twice to completely remove a stain. And here, it doesn't matter if you're using the best spot cleaner or how hard you scrub, you have to do it twice. The final point I'll make here is that though hydrogen peroxide works for stains, it does not work for odors. For that, Carpet Muscle TV, as well as other professionals I've seen here on YouTube, recommend chlorine dioxide tablets, and I'll link to how they're supposed to be used in the description. Thanks for your patience, and on to the winners. This year, our picks for the top 3 spot cleaners of 2023 are the Kenmore KW2001, the Bissell Little Green Pro, and the Shark Stain Stalker. The Kenmore was really impressive. There were very few areas where it did not excel, and it was sold for a good price. I even like the little things about it, which I did not technically score, like it having a really ergonomic tank that was easy to clean. One thing to consider though is both the Kenmore and the Shark are relatively new products, and don't have nearly as many reviews as the Bissell does, and so it's hard for me to be sure that they will be long lasting or won't have a lot of quality control issues. So if you want a product that has a much longer track record of good reviews, and it's the same basic machine that won our previous competition, you should check out the number 2 overall winner, the Bissell Little Green Pro. But by the numbers, all 3 of these are the best spot cleaners we've tested so far. Links in the description to everything I've mentioned here, as well as Carpet Muscle TV's channel here on YouTube, and thanks for watching.